Welcome yogis! Today, we're going to explore a complete yoga guide to alleviating lower back pain. In this video, I'll share with you some of my favorite poses that can help to relieve pain and restore flexibility. So grab your mat, get comfortable, and let's get started. Lower back pain is a common problem that affects people of all ages. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor posture, sitting for long periods of time, and lifting heavy objects. Yoga is a great way to relieve lower back pain because it helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles in the back. It can also help to improve flexibility and range of motion. The yoga poses that I'm going to share with you today are all beginner-friendly and can be done at home. They are: Child's Pose. Balasana relaxes the back and stretches the hips. It can also help to improve focus and concentration. How to do it? Kneel on the floor with your knees hip-width apart. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Fold forward and rest your forehead on the floor in front of you. Relax your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Cat-cow pose. Marjaryasana warms up the spine and improves flexibility. It can also help to improve posture. How to do it? Start on your hands and knees, with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back and look up, like a cow. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin to your chest, like a cat. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times. Downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana strengthens the back and improves balance. It can also help to improve flexibility in the spine and hamstrings. How to it? Start on your hands and knees, with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Step your feet back so that your body forms an inverted V shape. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Sphinx pose. Salamba Bhujangasana stretches the back and chest. It can also help to improve posture. How to do it? Lie on your stomach with your forehead on the floor. Place your hands shoulder-width apart in front of you, with your fingers pointing forward. Press into your hands and lift your chest off the floor, keeping your chin tucked to your chest. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Bridge pose. Satubandhasana strengthens the back and improves posture. It can also help to improve flexibility in the spine and hamstrings. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Press into your feet and lift your hips up off the floor, keeping your back straight. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Extended triangle pose. Utthita Trikonasana stretches the side body and improves balance. It can also help to improve flexibility in the spine and hamstrings. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Reach your arms overhead and bend to the right, bringing your right hand down to your shin or foot. Reach your left arm up toward the ceiling. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes, then repeat on the other side. Bow pose. Dhanurasana is a back bend that strengthens the spine, shoulders, arms, and legs. It improves posture, relieves lower back pain, and boosts energy levels. How to do it? Lie on your stomach and bend your knees, bringing your heels close to your buttocks. Reach back and grab your ankles, then inhale and lift your head, chest, and legs off the mat. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then exhale and lower back down to the mat. Pigeon pose. Eka Pada Rajakapotasana stretches the hips and improves flexibility. It can also help to improve circulation in the legs. How to do it? Start on your hands and knees. Bring your right knee forward and place it on the floor outside of your right hand. Slide your left leg back and extend it behind you. Lean forward and rest your chest on your right thigh. Additionally, incorporating restorative yoga poses, such as legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani, corpse pose, Savasana, and supported variations of bridge pose or Sphinx pose, can also be beneficial for relieving back pain and promoting relaxation. Remember to approach these poses with mindfulness, listen to your body, and modify them as needed to suit your comfort and level of flexibility. If you have any existing back conditions or injuries, it's always advisable to consult with a qualified yoga instructor or healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program. I hope you enjoyed this video on a complete yoga guide alleviating back pain. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.